A judge has ruled that First Glasgow did not have a duty of care to the injured parties of the George Square bin lorry crash. Lawyers acting for Glasgow City Council's insurers are now pursuing First Glasgow for negligence against the local authority. They had previously taken legal action to force the bus company to share liability for compensation payouts to bereaved families of the tragic accident. The council accepted liability following the crash in 2014 that killed 6 people as the lorry, driven by Harry Clarke, careered along Queen Street and George Square before crashing into Queen Street station at the Millennium Hotel. Clarke previously lost consciousness in April 2010, while driving a bus, owned by First Glasgow, during the course of his employment. This was similar to the type of episode he suffered during the events of December 22, 2014. The incident in 2010 was investigated by First Glasgow and showed that he could present a risk to passengers and other people should there be a repetition of the event. During the investigation, Clarke changed his story about how and where he had suffered the fainting episode. Lawyers claim that despite being aware of the fainting episode referred to above, First Glasgow did not disclose that to Glasgow City Council. In their submissions to the court they have stated, had it been disclosed, the local authority would either not have employed Clarke at all. Were he to have commenced his employment before the reference came in, we would terminate his employment or redeploy him in a non-driving job on account of the obvious danger to the public and other employees. Today, Wednesday, December 10, Lord Erect has ruled that the defenders, First Glasgow, did not owe a duty of care to the injured party. Andrew Jarvis, Managing Director for First Glasgow, Mr. Clarke was a driver for First Glasgow between October 2008 and December 2010. Our thoughts remain with those affected by the tragic events of the 22nd of December 2014. We agree with the decision of Lord Erect in court today and hope this now brings the matter to a close. A spokesman for Glasgow City Council added, "This is a matter for our insurers and it would not be appropriate to comment further at this time." For more on this story, visit the news article link.